So here we have our Aqua Dragons. They are about 6 weeks old, but by my estimation we are on possibly generation 4 now, as we've seen lots of eggs. The largest ones are probably, here we go, here's a big one. He's probably about 6 millimeters in length. So they've grown lots bigger and lots faster than we thought they probably would, to be fair. We weren't expecting this many in the tank. So the little particles that you can see there, you can see some babies, but you can also see some food because I've just fed them, which is why they are flying around, very excited, very, very happy Aqua Dragons, as you can see. So you can even see some babies, see like teeny tiny ones if you look closely. And we had another batch of eggs this week, so they'll soon be hatching as well. So we're now considering transferring them to a larger container, obviously because we don't want to get them too overcrowded. But they do seem perfectly happy here. It's night time now, but in the day they're on a window ledge here. They seem ecstatic, really. I mean, they're fabulous. We've loved watching them grow. Here's a boy, you can see him doing all these somersaults, look. And the males have got what looks like a giant moustache. But they are super. Yay, Aqua Dragons.